I gotta get comfortable for this. Although that's not a word in my vocabulary right now because I am 38 weeks pregnant. I am giving birth in 5 days. So comfortable. That's a word that was lost a long time ago. Okay, so today's video, I just wanted to talk about something. I just wanted to sit down and talk to you guys. I've talked about this on my vlog channel before, but I wanted to bring it on this channel because I have a bigger audience on this channel and I want to just bring more awareness to this fucking issue. So we're going to talk about family vloggers. So if you guys didn't know, I have a vlog channel. I started that channel a long time ago, back in 2010. When I started that channel, making money on YouTube wasn't a thing. They had just introduced the YouTube partner program, but it wasn't like it is today. Back then, you could apply to become a YouTube partner, you'd be accepted into the program, and then your videos would be eligible for monetization like one by one. It wasn't like you could just monetize your whole channel. So when I started that channel, and when I started this channel too, making money wasn't a thing on YouTube. So 100% I did not start YouTube to make money because it wasn't even a thing. So my vlog channel started out as vlogs. Like I would just do family vlogs. You know, I'd capture memories. And then my husband and I started trying to have a baby in 2015 or 2014. And I started documenting that journey and then just kept popping out babies. Here we are 5 years later. Baby number 5 is going to be here soon. So that's what that channel was all about. I never have once used my kids for views on that channel. I've never exploited my children on there. Yes, they are in some of my videos, but again, I've never used them for views. So recently I came across, well, it's been like a few months now, the Dad Challenge podcast. I'll link his channel down below. And I originally came across him when he started talking about Micah Stauffer, when that whole thing went down where she rehomed her child. Like that I don't like that term, rehomed. Like that's not something that you say about a child. That's something you say about like an animal. You know, like she abandoned her child. That's what she did. So I first found his channel when he was talking about her, and I love his videos. He's friggin' hilarious. Spoiler alert, him and I are gonna do a little collabo because we're gonna talk about family vloggers because my perception of them and my opinion on them has changed over the years, for sure. So there's a shit ton of family vloggers that I like to watch. Honestly, the majority of them I feel are, I'm not gonna say innocent because they're still exploiting their children. I guess they're more innocent than others. Like, you know, you have, like, I'm not gonna name drop here, but you know, you have the bigger channels that literally their kids are little actors and actresses, and when the camera is on, it's like a light switch, and you know, they're acting, and you know, they do multiple takes, and it's like, it's not real life, it's scripted, it's fake. They're just using their kids for views and money. And my throat hurts, I need to take a drink. But then you have the smaller ones that are, I guess, more innocent. You know, they vlog like, you know, their daily life. This is what we ate for breakfast, and then we went shopping, and then we played outside. You know, they don't document like private things. You know, well, some of them do. Some of them vlog their births and show things that should not be on the internet. I don't think, like vlogging your birth. And I get that question a lot, like, why don't you vlog your births, Vanessa? I'm like, cause that shit's private. Like, I don't want people seeing that. Like that's no. Like no. If I was all about the money, I would do that because those videos would make me a shit ton of money because people watch that shit. But I'm not, so I don't. Sorry, this video is gonna be like all messed up because I'm just like going off my thoughts, which pregnancy brain at its finest right now. I started watching his videos, and like ever since he started diving into like analytics and the type of people that watch family vloggers, I'm just like fucking gross. One family that has a little girl. She's got like a couple million followers on Instagram. Like 80-something% of her followers on Instagram were males, over the age of 18. And this girl's like 7 or 8. Like, why? Why do that many men need to be watching this little girl? And then he showed analytics for like other channels and stuff. And I'm like, that's just like gross. And not to say that it's only men that are like creepy, because there are definitely women that can be creepy too. So yeah, anyway, Josh from the Dad Challenge podcast has started this whole movement where he's trying to bring down family vloggers and stop them from exploiting their kids, because I mean, that's essentially what they're doing. They're exploiting their kids. They're using their kids for views without consent. Like, I don't care what you say. One girl was like, oh, I pay my kids. Like, first of all, do you really? Really? And second, your kids are not old enough to understand. Just to understand. They're not old enough to understand, you know, who could be watching them, just the things that could come later on in life. So yeah, he started this whole movement to try to like take them down or not really like take them down, but just get them to realize like what they're doing to their kids and using their kids. What's his hashtag? Kids aren't content. Hashtag kids aren't content. You know, to use them for views. It's not right because they can't consent. They don't fully understand like what's going on. If I were to ask my 5-year-old, hey, like, hey, do you want to be on YouTube? And lots of people will watch your videos. Like, she's going to say yes, obviously, because she doesn't understand. Watching his videos just really opened up my eyes. And it made me think about the things that I've said, like in my videos. Because like I said, I've done videos with my children. You know, maybe they don't want the whole internet knowing that when they were 3, like they went through this phase where you know, they threw temper tantrums and oh, they even ate their poop one time, you know, like just stupid shit like that. That's what I can think of. I mean, my kids have never ate their poop. Like that's how innocent it is, like on my level, but on these other channels, like talking about girls when they got their first period or, you know, just like personal stuff like that. Like, no, that's fucking wrong. Exploiting their kids for views. And honestly, okay, I don't think all of them are bad. I don't think all of them are bad. Sorry, my neighbors are like revving their I was gonna say snow engines. Like what? Snowmobiles. Snow engines. I need to go to bed. So yeah, anyway, I don't think all family vloggers are bad. I think that they all need a fucking reality check, honestly. And like Josh says in his videos, they need to be stopped before something bad happens because there are crazy fucking people out there. And it's just really only a matter of time. That's it for this video. It's probably just all a jumbled mess, but I just wanted to make this video and just tell you guys the thoughts that I have in my head. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a collaboration with Josh from the Dad Podcast. So yeah, look for that coming soon. I'll give you guys more details when that's all worked out. But check out his channel, watch his videos, and listen to what he has to say because like it's really eye-opening. And I know some people are gonna be like, Vanessa, you guys are totally gonna disagree with me, be like, oh no, they're good people, no, you have it all wrong. It's like, but how do you know? You don't know these people. And just like Josh says, you're a customer to them. Like, they're not your friends. They don't truly care about you. They care about your views because your views make them money. They don't care about you as a person. Maybe a couple of them do, but majority of them really don't. I'm gonna stop rambling now. You guys should comment down below and let me know your thoughts on family vloggers. If you think it's good, if you think it's bad. Yeah, I'm just very curious to see your thoughts. Again, I will link Josh's channel down below. Go check out his videos because, again, they're really fucking eye-opening. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.